Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search Thread and open that application. So once you open that, you simply need to select any profile. So I'm going to select this one, for example this one. Okay, then you simply need to click on three dots on the top right. Here you click on block and click on block again. So now you can see that this user is blocked, and let me show you how you can see your block list. So once you are here you need to click on blocked, and you can easily see block profile. So this is a process by which you can block anyone on Thread. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.